Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So in previous lectures, previous lecture we have seen what are sets, natural number, real number system, okay, or number system we can say, and then relations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is a relation? What is the relation between set A and B? It is just collection of order pairs, right? Collection of order
Yes,
pairs contain in which order pair contains or collection of order pairs A and B, where A is in A and B is in B. Or if we define a set on A, then it is a this now here any non-empty subset of A cross A. If we define a relation on a set A, then it is a non-empty subset of A cross A, means just order pairs. And a relation on a relation between sets A and B is nothing but what it will be? Right here. Relation between set A and B. What will be it? It is just collection of order pairs. Collection of order pairs A comma B, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B, right? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see whatever I am writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I told you to write some examples of relation. Whether you have gone through it. Reflexive relation, symmetric, antisymmetric,
Yes,
equivalence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
whatever this example we have taken. So whether it is equivalent, whether it is a equivalence relation. This one, reflexive symmetric is okay. What about transitive for this?
Yes, ma'am, it is transitive.
It is transitive also. It is transitive also. So reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So it is a equivalence relation. Is that okay? So everybody now understood
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
equivalence relation, what is partial order relation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will go
Yes,
to
ma'am.
function.
मॅम
Yes.
आपण एम्प्टी सेट साठी रिलेशन डिफाइन करू शकतो का?
नाही, एम्प्टी सेट साठी कसं रिलेशन?
म्हणजे यापैकी कोणतंच होल्ड होणार नाही का त्याच्यासाठी?
Empty set empty असेल तर how we will define some means a relation.
ओके मॅम.
So I started with non-empty set ना, any non-empty subset of A cross A. So हे non-empty येण्यासाठी हे पण non-empty पाहिजे ना?
ओके मॅम. ओके.
Okay, so now we will go to today's functions. Okay, so now we know what is relation. Now, what is function? Function between f is said to be a or let A and B be two non-empty sets. Let A and B be two sets. Then I want to define a function. When we say that f is a function, I told you to go through function 1, 1, on to bijective, injective, all that things. So anybody can define for me a function?
If we can relate the numbers elements in A with B.
Only relate?
Relate and find image.
Relate means it is like relation. What is extra?
No, with specific.
Every element of A
Ma'am.
must correspond to exactly one element of B.
Yes. Yes, and somebody is saying something.
मॅम देअर एक्झिस्ट युनिक म्हणजे डोमेन मधल्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला युनिक इमेज असली पाहिजे त्यावेळेस आपण ते फंक्शन आहे म्हणून म्हणतो.
ओके, ते म्हणजे काय? ते म्हणजे काय? कशाला म्हणायचं फंक्शन? If for every you started like this, if for every A in A there exists unique B in B such that f of A is equal to B or B is equal to f of A, right? Is that okay? Can you see this, whatever I am writing with green pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You told
Yes,
just like this, na? There corresponds for every element in A, there must corresponds a unique B in B, right? So that f of A is equal to B. Is it okay? Or something is missing? How I will start? We say f is a function from A to B if for every A in A there exists unique. This is a notation for there exists unique, right? Everybody familiar with this notation? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please give me
Yes,
reply.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So give me reply. Whenever I ask, give me reply so that I will know you are there. Okay. So whether every function is a relation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Function is a relation. And every relation is a function. Which one is true?
Every relation is a function.
Every relation is a function.
Every function is a relation.
Every function is a relation. What about this one? This is first, so this is second. Some relations are functions. And some functions are relations. So tell me which are true, which are false. 1, 2, 3, 4 statements I have written. Are you there, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Second
first
number
and
is
third.
First, what about first? Every
First
function
is
is
true.
either
First is
true or
true.
false.
First is
First
true.
is true, ma'am.
First is
True, ma'am.
true.
First is true.
What about second?
Not false.
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 Some relations are functions.
True.
True.
Some might be true.
Some relations are functions.
Right. True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
True.
True.
Everybody agrees to true.
True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
Relation are function.
मॅम
Yes,
रिलेशन
ma'am.
1 1 असेल तर ट्रू होईल ना ते.
What I have written, just I want true or false. आता पुढे अजून काही असेल का नसेल, I don't know. Means I am not keeping any extra conditions or like that. Only I want to know whether this statement is true or false. Some relations are functions.
True, ma'am.
True, ma'am. True.
True, ma'am.
Yes,
Whether
ma'am. True.
anybody is there who is disagreeing, means who is saying false? Everybody
No,
agrees?
madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Some functions are relations.
False.
False, ma'am.
False.
Some functions are relations.
True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
True, ma'am. True.
If
True,
every आणि some मध्ये कोणता मोठा आहे?
Every.
Every, ma'am.
Every मोठा आहे म्हणजे
Every.
तर त्याच्यातले
Every
काही तर
function
रिलेशन असतीलच ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is it okay?
True.
True
Yes,
is ma'am.
ma'am. True.
True.
Yes. So whenever we study something like not just study like definition, example, but you have to study in detail. Like if we change this, if one word also changes in that definition or in that statement, all meaning will change. This is mathematics. Okay. In mathematics, single word also matters. Very, very important. It will change whole meaning of the sentence. Okay, so whenever you study, you have to study in all directions. Okay, this is just example I have given. Not it is not that much helpful, or nobody will ask such questions. But only to how one should study. For that I have given this means true or false. These 4 statements. Okay, every and some. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
now let me. I will draw some diagrams and then tell me. Sorry. Now you have to tell me which are the functions. Okay. Lecture चालू. दोन पर्यंत. Everybody know one function and onto function also, no? Or shall I
Yes,
define
ma'am.
first? Then we will go to
Yes,
this.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
H. So it is A. Okay, whether f is a function?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a function.
Yes, ma'am.
What,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about
Yes,
G?
ma'am.
G is not function, ma'am.
Yes.
Whether G is a function?
No, ma'am. G is not function.
No, ma'am. Yes.
G is not a function.
Function.
Yes, so this is, let me write. It is a function. This is not a function. Why it is not a function? Because
It does not have
According
for
to
C there is no image,
Image.
image.
right? For
Yes,
every
ma'am.
A in A, there should be image in, there is at least one image in other set, okay?
Condom.
So for 3, there is no image. What about the H? Whether H is a function?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. It
No,
is
ma'am.
not function.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
not?
Yes.
Because, ma'am, one has a no
No,
unique image.
not function.
Yes, it is not a function. Not a function. Because for one, there are 2 images. We want, means what is a function? For every element, there is unique image, right? So this is not a function. H is also not a function. What about I?
I is a function.
It is function.
It's a function.
Yes, ma'am. It is a
For
function.
D, there is no pre-image.
It is a function.
For D, there is no pre-image. Whether it is a function?
Yes, ma'am. Function. It is function.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's
ma'am.
not.
Yes.
It's a function.
Yes,
Ma'am.
it is a function, right? Because we have to check only in first set whether there is a image or not, a unique image or not. Okay. We no need to worry about every element in. So this we actually, if it is a we call this as domain, and this is codomain.
Codomain.
Okay. If I say this is A and this is, F is a function from A to B. A to B. Then A is called as a domain, B is called as a codomain. And what is the range set? Range set?
Subset of
The set
codomain.
of image. Subset of codomain that has the element of only the
Subset of codomain.
codomain,
Okay, but what is exactly it?
which
Not
contains
every
only the
subset
image
is
of, which contains the element of images in the set A.
but how I will define it? In the form of set, range set of F, range of F.
all distinct element. All distinct element.
which
Distinct
contain all the
element.
elements are image of elements of A.
How I define? This is my F function. F from A to B. Now I want to define range set of
It's the
F.
set of all x where
Set of
x equal
all
to f
which
of a
consists all elements which are images of
X.
elements of A.
such that
X such
x
that
equal to f of a.
F of X.
A.
A or X. What?
Means domain.
But how I will write means properly.
If we designate the elements in domain as A,
Mhm.
then we can write x equal to f of a.
So I have A and B. A is a domain, B is a codomain. So what should I write here? X belongs to
X belongs to A, ma'am.
X belongs to
A.
Yes, ma'am.
हा X कुठे पाहिजे?
no ma'am, x belongs to B.
X belongs
Because
to
it's the set of
B.
elements of.
And what about this? इथे X आणि इथे X पाहिजे का? How?
I think it should be f range set of f will be equal to y belongs to B such that y equal to f of x.
Yes. Set of all Y in B such that Y is equal
Y
to
equal to f of x.
F of X. X where X
And y
belongs to.
x belongs to A and y belongs to B, right?
Is it?
Yes,
Y
ma'am.
belongs to B such that Y is equal to F of X. Or just you can write all images where X belongs to A. Is that enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Just F of X where X belongs to A. Or this is also okay, means this is also correct. Y belongs to B such that Y is equal to F of X. And this is always a subset of B, codomain, right? Can you see whatever
Yes,
I am writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
go to
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Okay, so now domain, codomain, range set or image set. This is also called as a image set. Okay, image of F. Image of F also. Okay, so range set. What is the we have defined function, then domain, codomain, range set. Okay, now we will go to what is types of functions. What is one function? One or one-to-one. F is said to be 1, 1.
If
A function F from A to B is said to be
for every element of A there exists an image in B.
if
For every element in A has an image in B.
has an image in B. No.
No two elements in A is related to same element in B.
No two
Elements in A is related to same element with B.
Wait. I will not.
Unique.
Every element in A should have a relation with unique element in B.
Wait. A function F from A to B is said to be 1, 1 if If
two different elements of A have two different images.
two distinct
Element of A have two distinct images in B.
two distinct elements in A has two distinct images in B. Distinct elements in A has two distinct elements. B. Is this you want to say?
Yes.
Everybody agrees with this? Means A not equal to B, then f of A not equal to f of B. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Two distinct elements, then their images also distinct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever A is not equal to B, then f of A also not equal to f of B. That is. Or how we check? Anybody up to now means in DSC you might have checked some examples of a function which is not 1, 1. How we will check? How you will check? Whenever f of A is equal to f of B, it must imply A is equal to B. Is it? Whenever two images
Yes,
are
ma'am.
same, it must
Yes,
imply
ma'am.
that elements must be same. We prove like this now. If we are given some function, then we consider f of A is equal to f of B, and we arrive at a conclusion that A is equal to B. Then we say that this function is 1, 1. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about example? Consider f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x plus 1, or f of x is equal to x, you can say. Whether this is 1, 1, whether it is 1, 1, एवढा वेळ लागतोय तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
तुम्ही वाचून आलेत
Yes,
ना?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1, 1 on 2 सगळे वाचून आलेत ना? तरी एवढा वेळ लागतोय तुम्हाला? You should answer very fast.
It's 1, 1, ma'am.
It is 1, 1.
Right.
How you will check this? Consider.
By putting the values.
Yes, but not by putting value, but
Then we can verify it.
yes. So consider f of x is equal to f of y. Means it will imply x plus 1 is equal to y plus 1. Then it will imply x is equal to y. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
So it is 1, 1 function. What about, okay, we will see different functions, and first we will define now onto also, and then we will check. What is onto function? A function from A to B is said to be onto. If
Every element of B has at least one pre-image in A.
every element of B has at least
at least one pre-image
pre-image
in A.
in A, right? That is, for every B in B, there exists what? Pre-image in A. A in
A
A
belongs to
such that B is
B
equal
is
to
equal to F of A.
A, right? Means what or how I can write? Or in another words, what about I can say range set and codomain?
Range set and codomain sets are equal.
Must be equal, right?
Must.
Range set of F must be equal to codomain means B, right? We know that usually in a function, a range set is always subset of B. But if it is onto function, a range set is equal to whole of B. That is, I can write F of A is equal to whole of B. Is it okay? F of A range set is equal to B. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Function of
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. An example? What about F of X is equal to X plus 1? Whether it is onto? Whether it is onto?
assignment.
What is range set for this? Real number only, na? If I add 1 to some real number, I will get again a real number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
This is onto.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 1, 1 and onto function. So if function is or F from A to B is said to be bijection, if it is 1, 1 and onto. 1, 1 is also known as injective. Onto is known as
Surjective.
Surjective.
Another name you can say. So a function is said to be bijection if it is 1, 1 and onto. Okay. So whatever function we have defined, it is bijective. Now I will quickly give some examples and you tell me whether they are. Consider some examples. F from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x. F from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x square. R plus to R. F of x is equal to x square. F from R to R. F of x is equal to sine x. F from f of x is equal to sin x. Okay. I have written some 8 examples and we will go quickly go one by one. I will write here 1 on to bijective. Okay. What about first one? Whether it is 1 1
and on to. Yes,
1
ma'am.
1
On to and bijective.
bijective. Everybody agrees with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What
Yes,
about
ma'am.
second
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether it is 1 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 1. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
हॅलो मॅम ते चेक कसं करायचं हे समजलं नाही मॅम.
चेक कसं करायचं?
हो मॅडम.
Just we have defined, na? How you check? Whenever f of a is equal to f of b, it must imply a is equal to b. So you have to check whether there are some whether that function's images are same. If images are same, we must get their pre-images must be same. तर आहे का? Or for two distinct elements, we should get distinct images. So what up are you? Now you know f of x is equal to x square function. If I take f of 1, what is that? It is 1. F of 2,
1.
it is 4. F of 3, it
4.
is 9. But it is r means it will take negative also. R means it will take negative values also. So here f of 1 is 1. F of minus 1, what is f of minus 1?
1.
1.
It is also 1. So whether if I take two different images, I am getting pre-images whether same?
Same image.
Yes.
No, means 1 is not
Yes, ma'am.
equal to minus 1, but we are getting f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is not 1 1. Whenever two elements are distinct, their images must be distinct. But for f of x is equal to x square, we are not getting that. Or if you take f of 2 is 4, f of minus 2 is also 4. There are many, I mean, infinitely many examples of this. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is not
Yes,
1 1. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not 1
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
So this function is not 1 1. What about onto?
Not onto, ma'am.
Not
Onto.
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 Why not?
It is on.
Because, ma'am.
Because whenever we are saying no
Ma'am,
means
codomain is not equal to range set, ma'am.
what is range set?
149.
149.
Ma'am, so on.
How we can say like that? You give one example for which there is no pre-image in domain. You give one example
Ma'am,
Means
3
one
has no
element in
ma'am, 3 has no pre-image in A.
Three.
No,
3 च what is a pre-image?
ma'am,
3 ला pre-image काय आहे? root 3. Root 3 is element of R. Can you give me one element of R whose under root is not a real number?
real number.
आपला डोमेन काय? डोमेन रियल नंबर आहे आणि कोडोमेन इज ऑल्सो रियल नंबर. So give me one real number whose square root is not a real number. What is square root of -1?
Minus, ma'am, minus.
What is square root of -1?
Imaginary number.
It is I. It does not belongs to R, na?
Yeah, it is a complex.
Yeah, so this is complex. So for negative real numbers, we are not having pre-image here. At least one pre-image पाहिजे ना आपल्याला.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is not on.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is not onto. Okay. So neither 1 1 nor onto. So no, not bijective. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So whenever I am writing something, okay, first we need to check whether it is a function also. Means I just written. Before going to 1 1 and on to, whether it is a function or not. Whether it is a function. For every element in R, there is a unique image.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Unique image? Yes. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is- What about third one?
Third.
No,
It's a function.
domain is positive real numbers, R
Oh.
plus. And codomain is R. R plus also we can take R. Okay. Tell me now early. Already we have discussed this.
It is 1 1.
Whether it is 1 1.
Yes, ma'am. It is 1 1.
Now it is 1 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Positive only, na I am considering. So it is
Yes.
1 1.
1 1.
What about
Yes, ma'am.
onto?
Yes, it's on to.
Onto. Whether it is onto?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
No, ma'am, nahi.
It does not have any pre-image.
Huh?
रिअल नंबर्स मध्ये निगेटिव्ह पण असतात ना, मग पॉझिटिव्ह रिअल नंबर्स मध्ये प्री इमेज नसते त्याची, मग ऑन टू नाहीये.
Yes, so this is not onto. So it is 1 1 but not onto. So this is not bijective. Okay. If I take here R plus, if next example is like say f of R plus 2 R plus, f of x is equal to x square, then
It's 1 1 and on to that.
1 1 and onto.
Onto.
As well as
Also.
bijective.
It is bijective. Are you getting? Just I am changing domain and codomain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, function is same. Still, it's by 1 1 onto-ness, it will change. Okay. So whenever somebody says whether this function is like f of x is whether sin x is 1 1 onto, then you need to ask them what is its codomain and domain, because from domain and codomain they will decide 1 1-ness onto-ness. Okay. What about this now? Fourth one. R to R, f of x is equal to sin x. How is the graph of sin x? How is the graph? Like this, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, and so on. So whether sin x is 1, 1. What is sin 0?
0.
What is
Zero.
sin
Zero.
Sin 0 is 0. What is sin pi?
Sin pi.
Sorry, pi
Pi.
by
Again, 0.
okay,
0.
okay. Wait. I did mistake. What is this? 0. This is
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
and this is pi. Okay, and then
Pi.
3 pi by 2 2. This is minus pi by 2. This is minus pi. Okay, so what is f of 0? It is 0, and which is equal to f of pi. So this is not 1 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about onto? Everybody getting whether it is 1 1 onto? Clear hota hai ka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this is not 1 1 because 0 and pi has same images. They are different. 0 is not equal to pi, but f of 0 is equal to f of pi. Is it? So it is not 1 1. What about onto? What about onto? Whether sin x is onto? What is range set? Minus 1 to 1, no? Range set is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
whether range set is equal to codomain?
No, ma'am.
No. So this is not onto, not bijective. What about this now? 0 to pi by 2 I am considering and r. Whether it is 1 1?
No, ma'am.
In 0 to pi by 2, how is the graph?
It is 1 1, but it is not on.
Yes, ma'am. It is 1 1.
1 1.
Pi by 2 like 1.
1.
Then 0. And then minus it is there. So here note 2 elements of this set 0 to pi by 2 has same image ना आपला domain किती एवढाच आहे domain is this much only so we have to worry about only this much graph is this is my function only 0 to pi by 2 is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
whether it is 1
Yes,
1
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's 1 1.
it is 1 1. What about onto?
Yes, ma'am. It's 1 1.
Onto? On when we say that it is onto if codomain
It's not equal
is equal to range set. What is range set? The range set of sin x is just
0 to
minus
pi by
1 to 1.
0 to pi.
Minus 1 2.
0 to 1 here.
0 to 1.
This. So it is not right.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
1 but not onto.
On.
So not bijective. What about minus pi by, let me change this minus pi by 2 to pi. Okay, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 means this much. It will. Okay, now what about this minus pi by 2 to pi by 2? Whether it is 1, 1,
Yes, ma'am.
6th, it is 1, 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about onto? Onto? Range set. Now codomain I have changed. Minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1 for every element in minus 1 to 1 has a pre-image.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is 1, 1 as well as onto.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I remove this graph now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 1, 1 onto, so bijective. Is that okay? Now whether you understood whether it is 1, 1 onto, how to check it is bijective. What about this now? Tell me early. 7 number 0 to pi by 2 and minus 1 to 1. Whether it is 1, 1.
Yes, ma'am.
It is 1, 1.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about onto?
Yes, ma'am.
Not on to.
Not on.
No on to, ma'am. Not on.
Not onto. So not back. What about R2 minus 1 to 1?
Not 1, ma'am.
Not 1,
Not
1.
one to one.
But onto?
Yes, it's on to.
Yes, on to, ma'am. It's
It's
on.
on. Okay, so every case we have considered a function which is inject 1, 1 as well as onto, a function which is 1, 1 but not onto, a function which is onto but not 1, 1, and all neither 1, 1 nor onto. All different cases we have considered for the same example just by changing domain codomain. So it may be helpful for you to differentiate between 1, 1 onto-ness. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whether you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we will stop here and tomorrow we will start our syllabus. Okay, this much is okay for your preliminaries, and whenever we require in between lectures, I will explain that things. Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So tomorrow we will meet at, I think tomorrow also same 11:50.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Wait 1 second. Let me download the attendance. Then you can do. Let me download the attendance. Okay.